In this video, I will show you how to connect a wired internet router or Wi-Fi to your Samsung Smart TV. So by the end of this video, you should be able to connect your router or Wi-Fi just like this one over here to your Samsung Smart TV using an Ethernet cable. And first things first, you want to make sure that your router is actually turned on, and you also want to make sure that your Ethernet cable is properly connected to the router. As you can see, one end of my Ethernet cable, which is basically this cable over here, is currently being plugged to one of the Ethernet ports on my Wi-Fi over here. This is actually a power bank that comes with my router, so you may not get this on your router. Now, once you've connected one end of your Ethernet cable to your router, you want to go ahead and connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port on your Samsung Smart TV. At the back of your Samsung Smart TV, you're going to see the port that is labeled Ethernet or LAN. Just go ahead and connect this other end of your Ethernet cable to that port on your Samsung Smart TV. By the way, I am going to be leaving some of the best Ethernet cables and routers you can actually connect to your Samsung Smart TV in the description of this video, so you can go over to the description of this video and then just get any of the budget-friendly routers or Ethernet cable you can find. And once the Ethernet cable is connected to your Samsung Smart TV, you're going to see this notification over here at the top of your Samsung Smart TV indicating that a LAN cable has been connected to the TV. Now you can just go ahead and press on the OK button on your remote control to use the network, and automatically this will take you to the network settings of your Samsung Smart TV, and automatically your Samsung Smart TV will connect to the wired internet router or Wi-Fi. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.